First up, check out this wacky windup where he reaches the apex of his leg kick, then leans forward and then back again before delivering a fastball for a K. How about a double pause? He pulled that out during the All-Star game with his huge leg kick, forward spinning Johnny Cueto effort going for a ball. Here's a version where he appears to almost lose his balance, only to find it again, do another half spin, and then fire a strike. Would his antics stop once he hit the playoffs? Of course not. Here's his double pump and pause versus Stephen Kwan that was a bit high, but at 93 was one of his fastest pitches of the postseason overall.